Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Google's innovation pool and pulling out 5 mind-blowing gadgets that'll have you saying ho, Google. So like the video and get ready to be impressed. Google Glass Enterprise Edition 2. Forget bulky headsets. The future of augmented reality is sleek and discreet. Introducing the Google Glass Enterprise Edition 2. This upgraded version empowers professionals across industries with hands-free access to information, simplified workflows, and real-time data visualization. Google Pixel Watch. Looking for a smartwatch that seamlessly integrates with your Google ecosystem? Look no further than the Pixel Watch. This sleek and stylish timepiece boasts all the essential features you crave, from fitness tracking and notifications to Google Assistant integration and personalized watch faces. And with its comfortable design and long battery life, it'll keep you connected and informed all day long. Pixel Book Go. Need a laptop that's light on weight but heavy on performance? Look no further than the Pixel Book Go. This ultra-portable powerhouse packs serious punch with a speedy processor and long battery life. The Pixel Book Go is your go-to companion for productivity and creativity on the move. Pixel Buds Pro. Immerse yourself in rich, clear audio with the Pixel Buds Pro. These wireless earbuds boast active noise cancellation to block out distractions. The comfortable fit and intuitive touch controls make them perfect for music, calls, and even workouts. Chromecast with Google TV. Tired of endless scrolling and decision fatigue? The Chromecast with Google TV is your answer. This little device transforms your ordinary TV into a smart entertainment hub, giving you access to all your favorite streaming services, movies, shows, and live TV in one place. Remember to like and subscribe for more tech adventures. And let us know in the comments which gadget sparked your curiosity the most.